that. Sedap. I craving the olive.
Oh. Wah.
Mana?
Nenek pun kat London lah resipi. Ni avocado.
Ya Allah, sedapnya.
Masya Allah. Ha. Tapi dia punya avocado. Probably healthy, probably.
Mak, patutlah semua orang duk cakap mamanya Syafiq kan.
Ya ke? Oi, main tunjuk-tunjuk apa? Tak happy ke? Begini.
Masih ada lagi kat olive oil Palestine tu.
Syria punya. Dah no more already last.
Syria.
Because they stopped kan because due to the
Yeah, I was thinking where they get the supply.
no more already.
Tapi memang Mama punya sedap lah.
Okay.
Why so nice kan? Because kalau Lokman rasa macam sedapnya.
Di rumah ke rumah ke?
Kalau dia rasa mesti dia macam sedap.
Apa difference shepherd pie dengan cottage pie?
Shepherd is lamb, cottage is beef. So nice ah.
Use the rosemary and the thyme. Tapi tak boleh banyak sangat lah. Just a dash sikit je.
Ya, just sikit je. I love the taste of olive oil.
Lemak eh?
Actually, my craving is olive oil so scary I can lick like that, you know.
Pening pula dia nak tengok. Kan pening pula bang. I do have.
Until 1 liter, you know.
Tonight you see lah.
Mereka just dribble on the bread every day, eat like that. Sedap. I craving the olive oil. It's a flood in Malaysia, you know.
Yeah.
Banjir.
Your favorite? Banjir.
Ini KL.
Tak apa. Hujan lah.
KL tu dah jadi macam sinkhole tau. Very dangerous actually. Patut suruh Lokman pindah Singapura.
Pindah Singapura
Kan? Nah, dah macam sinkhole. Everything also for no reason.
Started already ya.
Macam
Kalau KL itu tu cement semua.
macam cerita Armageddon. Apa Armageddon? Scary kan?
My week potato is about 10 strong sangat
No, I don't know. It's so perfect. Nah, tak letak cheese pun kan?
Letak. Mesti letak.
Buat
Butter,
mana?
cheese, mozzarella. Untuk mozzarella. Actually, I don't want to use a bit of mayonnaise because I want to finish it. Mungkin my mayonnaise dah expired lah.
Ya. Sedap. Nanti I tambah a bit lah.
Come on. I put torch.
Ya, boleh.
Sure.
Why everybody like so surprised the way I eat nowadays ah?
Sure.
Even Lokman je, banyaknya. Mama also say like that. I say, for me it's not a lot. What? You eat normal, right? Banyak sangat saya akan makan.
Tak apalah, boleh. Tak banyak sangat. Banyak sikit je.
Avocado dia masakkan tadi lah.
Yeah, just nice. Clever. Smart Papa choose the avocado. Tak overripe sangat lah. If not too soft.
Tak sangka Papa makan Western food.
First time lah.
Actually from that day he asked you, nampak macam makan shepherd pie.
Oh, sedap.
Saya tunggu ikan balik lah. Dah datang, siapa-siapa datang. Saya just buat sikit untuk diorang tu, malas lah.
Why don't you make it small-small? Kan ada small punya itu.
Yeah.
Tray. Sedapnya.
Nak tambah? Encik Suhaimi?
Tak ada. Okay. Banyak orang tak tadi flight?
Kau dia?
Tak ramai. But it was raining.
Raining?
Very heavily.
Jadi rain kat dia
Yeah,
lah.
then I was so scared naik
From
flight
KLIA?
Yeah. Nah, I scared naik flight kan dia turbulence. Wow,
yeah.
heavy rain man.
Yo.
Nah, just sawat-sawat saja lah.
Kesiannya anak mama.
Tu wait long-long lah dia cakap.
Kau lebih longgar.
Kalau tak, ikan suruh je lah Lokman beli Lamborghini. Saya drive dari KL sampai sini.
That one wait long-long lah. They really stop the thing, then they just want start the talk again. Nanti lain dia
Tapi once they start cepatnya.
tak, nanti lain dia government datang dia stop lagi pula. Tapi kalau train daripada Singapore to Johor dah nak tak siap juga lah. RTS dia call RTS.
You want to take that? So later so many people. The train. Confirm.
Apa ya?
You macam MRT lah.
Dia ramai nak orang naik.
It's uncomfortable ya.
Not comfortable. Kalau ramai sangat jadi tak comfortable.
Of course they have this what you call that, limit punya passenger lah estimate berapa orang boleh naik kan. Takkan macam kat Indah sampai kat atas-atas.
Memang very nice lah.
Cuaca tu juga Luqman tu mana tengok.
Sedap gila. Wah, this is traditional
Kat luar dia tanya you want what flavour nak rendang. For me shepherd pie lah.
Yalah, that's right.
Dah buat tahu jadi rendang flavour dia punya originality dah tak ada.
Kau nak gossip. Jangan cut off dulu.